akwaba wɔfrɛ me Adwoa search me mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo enya na anu na NPP aban etu kokoo mu edekɔ I think say 3,000 or say 4,000. I stand to be corrected. NDC for mambofu basahye adefo ye dede wo Ghana ha se kokoo no betuma amutumi na de modiko edesha no enya NDC fo a ena omo kra de omba betumi de akọ 6,000 which is 60 million em say 100 million kra NDC fo no mo kan bo se hu bo se enfaso bi enu so no mo keka che na to Ghana futu no mo koto aba mo aska mo se mo nima ene na no mo ya to force as finance minister omo ye ne vet in Endra no bi say black na kokoo ekwafo no ye omo de ato force se kokoo ne de Edio ono as finance minister no oni bibi aka ho nti kokoo ekwafo ye no mo aska no na Ghana fo bia be react to it ye tinsema ekoso
TV akwaje black and white ampa ai ona wo kese ato force enya wo na wo dina simpi so se e wo se to kokoo 6,500 Ghana 65 million old gade enne de wa converting na se ye bisa wo se wo beto kokoo ni madu 6,000 se de wo promise ye na wo se da bi kokoo price ne de any ministry of health nsem any ministry of finance nsem ya to force se wa no ye mienu enya wo na wo putu blames ni nyina ma your friend say Dr. Bahomia say wono ana wa masidi no ekofom ene ye bisa wo say wo be die na wo be ya masidi no etimi ahode etimi akosoro o ka kire say eno de it is within the offices of the your friend saying Bank of Ghana and then you are pushing the blame to the central bank. So you knew say central bank no ana na wo say the name ana ultimate troll letter troll petition call parliament say Dr. Bahomia na ma sidi na abafom ai ato forcing they don't kind of cresa afei they ato forcing to make us say you are going to use the gold to anchor the city. Dr. Bahomia Ghana for epa cho fache wati fache enye ye nia ya tutu futuro agu ye nia ma ye hu nyansasem no nkwasasem no nko na ne ye hu no ye sra fache wati na say ato forcing oye cobra ato forcing ye cobra pa oye cobra ai ato forcing enti nsem odina simpie so kan nyina se de unhunu de wo ye yo we live to see ye de na me se me nkasa bio because NBC no de a comedy channel te se de me kan na da bia me kan no a comedy channel na me se me nkasa bio na so se de ye nyina ye beti asim ye be bodu boot for boot hwe wo de mo ntwen ye be bodu boot for boot what force one ye nwotwe chese wo gina ha na waka we na wo kura de bi nti the Ministry of Finance ema because wo kama na wo deputy minister of finance wo na wo ko sign is kama ye ko to sa your friend saying ambulance condemn e be go Ghana wa bra ya kase ye be condemn case the airport wo na wo ko sign sa sika no timinin de wo kwa ko Ministry of Finance ho omo ma failing in advance ana mo de wakwa to Ministry of Finance no na mo de mo ntwen na mo behu mo ntwen pa na mo behu me say 4 years no wo mahama no kra de sa comedy channel we Ghana for ya ton ya color TV akwaje black and white pa wo na wo mahama wo begina ha because of say microphone NDC for awia free cities for aduane nyina nti wo ba be back yo mo say wo akufo dan na trimo de no ene de na aduane ya okrama free cities last year na fe de wo be che e de ama wo mo e wa abra akufo don kasa ama wo charts siska na mo de mo ntwen na ye nka hwe mo ntwen say because of warehouse na and this for bubu ani nti won't make so monsan fa nuane no nko afa de o san dis bajobo o kan se me de pa se niam me ensa na ya de na de twato no se se wonya NDC ni no kore NDC for in fact say ye bon no ma bon wo sa adwene no na wo fom o say ye de yo e de na cause of parliament no da bio mama say ono esgracia no ba obetwam ana current administration say and ye boakura ma adwuma na ye diama no enti nyamfa ateko 71 budget no kura emma parliament no ma ye ne NDC for so mo ntiase mo na mo se mo ba mo betwam obo wo twam mam na ye easier wo se mo ntiase wo se betting tax haye Osi e-levy high. Osi COVID levy high. Akufo do se mesra wo me boa maman no aye easy amount. Ye yi ni nyina afiri ho. Afen na no me hwe Ghana Statistical Service ade abeto abontre say country no ebelusu almost 7 billion Ghana cedis a year. Enti den. Were you not there when these people were saying say ombe yi sa taxes in every one? Why didn't you bring out? What kind of coward behavior is that? Masa, and this is for Ghana nyamudia o. Ghana nyamudia. Mona mo se mine no mo be reset. Yes, they say much niama fine. Masa say niama fine. Ye hu se ma reset Ghana no. Enti afi ye twen dia mo ba be dey. Mo ba be. Now what kind of blame games are you doing? Adinti na masha say e complaining. Adna mahama wunya start tra banya no sokora. What shall say? Now yes I ana nema be say ana nema be ko say Captain Smart. Afi na oto na aka say they ka say mahama betimi ama nema beba from say ya. Na wo di agoro. You knew all this when you were there insulting bitterly. You were giving the bitter criticism so vitriol, like thinking, say, Ghana, I am from now on one journalist. When you were insulting everybody who voted for MPP or Equasia or Jimmy Onimyan and those stupid things now kicking on. Now, how? It's what say, Edwin, were you all having these things in mind before you all came out to make these campaigns for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama? Yes, Remo. Yes, Remo. O man, I feel the Ashamonsa. You farm currency at Benyanaso. And farm say, oh, Hena Muntimia, we a Grasama councilman way. Monfabra. When you people saw nothing was possible, there was only one gentleman who stood up and said, it is possible. That man brought his visions, but Ghana still now, Yepe reset, Yepe Konketingiti, and the amount of Konketingiti. After I didn't know much as a complaint. Where from all these blame games? Masa, yes, Remo. Omaya Sonko didi. Omaya Sonko didi. President.
Makache eye minua. Say eye minim RCC sense.
Obi asende my dear.
Okay.
Now I'll say textbooks. Yes, in Kuala Lumpur 666. Tracksuit 250 Ghana. Eziad book 15. House dress 150. Cardigan 170, tablet 80. One farmer, but that is what he has listened to. Me pese Kasana was sending audio.
Yeah.
So you go ahead. I want to listen to the audio.
Me catch you say that school sir minimum ma bi mu better me ma atimota e ma date o me so mo PTA for e ma amount o mo je fi o mo no. E to do aso to for man. Ye de as a people, they are ibu say nyina ne say
print the textbooks now.
Oh you are.
I copies ama or muntina no yes 666.
Oh you are.
And you cabo manager say almost 1,300.
Oh you
and
are.
I'm calling
How the money you would respond to some of this.
But you'll wrap it up, mommy. Now, your time.
It's Master American say schools no be started charge fees no. And say obi that too sweet. So enye here say keke. Enye here say keke. Me tie regional read the regional minister statement.
Regional minister say.
Regional minister say abra or no buy no. Na a dino was a dilapidation.